Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be the third installment of our series of videos regarding the finest lipsticks available in India by the Indian brands. This video is going to be very special. I'll be talking about one single brand and its lip products, which are the finest quality, high quality products available in India, and they are also very vegan and cruelty free brand. I will be talking about the brand called Dr. Earth. Yes, if you are not new to my channel, you are very well aware that I just love this brand. It has got the perfect kind of makeup and skin care products that are like perfect for Indian skin, Indian complexions, and also they provide very high quality products. So let's start the video, not making it too very long for you. This is how the packaging arrives, the Dr. Earth packaging. They all do their packaging in paper, cardboard and acrylics, not really plastic, and glass of course, and no plastic. They are very eco-friendly kind of brand. So this is how the collection of their lip and cheek tints I have here with me, and I think they are almost 12 or 14 lip and cheek tints here with me. So I'll be swatching each and every lip and cheek tint here because they are all the finest quality products. That is the reason I have made a separate special video for these particular products. They are very fine quality, they are great in quantity, they last very long, and they are absolutely amazing products. That is the reason I have shared that one single brand products here in this video only. And I was about to make a separate video on Dr. Earth lip and cheek tints, so this was, I think, the best and the finest kind of idea to involve these products in the finest lipsticks by Indian brands. I hope you all like it and find this video useful. First and foremost, let's start with my most favorite shade from the collection. It is this beautiful coral shade called Eternal Flame. This is how the tints arrive in this kind of packaging. It's again a cardboard packaging, no plastic, and this is the beautiful pot you get with this golden cap, making it really good quality, high quality, a luxe feel kind. So this is the shade I am talking about. I am really obsessed with this shade. You all know I just love corals and peaches, so this is like a brilliant coral shade, and also it's perfect for summers, and they can also be used as blushes. They are lip and cheek, both the kind of products they have. So this is how it is, and let's swatch it quickly on lips, and let me remove this gloss. Actually, it's working better with fingers. Like I said, it works better with fingers. It works well that way. Like you can see, it's giving its finest pigmentation with fingers itself. So I recommend using your fingers for these products. And this is the shade Eternal Flame for you. Like I said, it's a brilliant shade that just lifts up your mood, and also it is the perfect shade for these ongoing summers. So it makes excellent shade. They are creamiest in their textures. They are not hard. They don't have beeswax. Yes, I need to elaborate their qualities. I just forgot to mention that. First of all, they are beeswax free. Let me swatch it. They are the creamiest and the most pigmented kind of lip and cheek tints. Like I said, they are beeswax free, and they have mentioned it on the front surface of their packaging. They are absolutely beeswax free, so that is what is the thing about Dr. Earth, which I get attracted to this brand. They are absolutely clean and eco-friendly, and they have got some really good qualities and properties that has been very well mentioned, very well elaborated on the packaging itself. I'll just put in the description box, you can read out, and I don't want to make this video too very long. I just want to talk about these tints and its pigments. Coming to cheeks, like I said, they make brilliant blushes, and they are too very pigmented, so you need to be very light-handed with this. You can of course use your fingers or a brush, whatever suits you better. The next shade I have here with me is called Rouge Rose, which is like a deep pink shade, which is on the bold category. It's not too very subtle, it's too very bold and deep shade of pink, like you can see, and this is going to make a brilliant shade for Indian skin tones and complexions. This makes a brilliant blush too. Let me use it and show you. That's it. This is Rouge Rose for you. The next shade I have here is called Terra Rouge, which is like a beautiful and lovely rusty brown shade. It's more of a fall shade. It's more like a fall shade, like you can see. I forgot to just swatch the Rouge Rose. This is how the Terra Rouge is. It's a lovely brown shade, more of a fall shade, but it complements Indian skin tones really, really well. This is one of those rusty browny shades that is going to like work absolutely well, like 10 on 10 on Indian skin tones and complexions and Indian features. They are going to complement really, really well. It is that shade of rusty brown. Let's try this as blush. Not taking too much because this is brown and a rusty shade, so I would recommend using very light-handedly and very less in quantity, otherwise you will end up looking horrible with such rusty shade. Actually they work really, really well with fingers itself, so I would recommend using them with fingers, not with any brush. I think it is that one neutral universal shade of blush. This is the shade called Amore True Red, and it's absolutely the truest kind of red anyone can have. Let me swatch it for you. This is Amore True Red for you. It's a pretty chilly kind of red. Let's try it as a blush. Again, going very light-handedly because red as a blush is not recommended, but I really need to use it as a light tint which gives like a flush of pink to your cheeks when used properly. And this shade in my hand is called Fonce Red. It is also from the red family, but it's more of magenta and maroon tone to it. Let me swatch this. This is Fonce Red for you. It's more of magenta and maroon kind of shade, yet it looks very, very glamorous. It's very deep, bold shade, so but it looks really, really glam on Indian skin tones and Indian complexions, like dark and bold true reds, especially in bridal kind of makeup with smoky eye, cocktail party makeup look makes my skin tone and my features stand out. This is one kind of universal shade that never goes wrong with any kind of makeup and on any kind of complexion. I have taken very light tint and going very light-handedly across my cheeks. This is Fonce Red for you on your cheeks, which is like a brilliant shade for your blush, and it's really, really amazing. This is the shade called Desert Nude, and it is a beautiful medium tone brown shade that's gonna look stunning on Indian skin tones and Indian features. This is Desert Nude for you. Let me swatch it a bit more. Yeah, this is Desert Nude for you. It's a beautiful, wonderful, universal mid-tone brown shade that never goes wrong with any kind of outfit or any kind of makeup looks. It's that nudie brown shade. And for Indians, these kind of browns are like saviors in any makeup. Let's try this as blush. This is definitely going to make a brilliant blush, a nude blush. Like I said, this is going to be a lovely, amazing blush. It's a nude kind of blush, soft nude. When you say this is that soft nude shade of brown that's never gonna go wrong with us Indians or any kind of skin tones and complexions. This is like a savior shade. This is like a must-have shade. The last lip and cheek tint shade that I have today here is their most popular lip and cheek tint called the Original Pink, which I have reviewed in my first video of the finest lipsticks by Indian brands. This is their pink shade, and I'm not gonna lip swatch this shade because I have already done. I'll do this hand swatch, and this is how this pink is actually. It's a warm tone pink shade that is going to look superb on Indian complexions and Indian skin tones. It is that shade of pink that's never gonna go wrong with Indian skin tones. So here are the top 5 recommendations of the Dr. Earth lip and cheek tints that I think every Indian girl must have these kind of 5 shades with her. So first and foremost, my most favorite shade called Eternal Flame. This is one brilliant coral shade that can never go wrong. I just love this shade. This is my personal favorite. Many might not like this kind of bright orangey coral shade, but I do find it very stunning on my skin, my lips, as a blush and as a lip shade both. And if you do not really like this, you can skip this, but I personally think this kind of one shade should be there in your vanity for summers at least. They make brilliant summery shade for your cheeks and lips. The next shade that I have here is called Terra Rouge, one autumn fall kind of medium brown shade which has that rusty brown in it. That's never gonna go wrong on Indian skin. It gives you that rusty brown shade of lips and also a beautiful rusty shade of cheeks that's gonna look super gorgeous, and a 10 on 10 on Indian skin. Brilliant deep pink shade. Even though some might not like this kind of deep pink shade, but it makes a brilliant blush, a lovely blush, and when you go light-handedly on your lips, this is definitely gonna make a beautiful lip shade too. So this is definitely going to complement Indian skin tones really well in any kind of season and any kind of outfit. This is that universal shade of pink on your cheeks and on your lips is going to make you give you very glamorous look with less quantity of product. This is a nudie shade that works with everyone at all. Favorite, most popular shade called the Original Pink. This is the beautiful pink shade. It's a subtle pink shade that's gonna look amazing on everyone, almost everyone. They are creamiest in nature, in texture, and they are not gonna disappoint you. You can check out the Dr. Earth website for any discounts. They always give discounts. So that's all for this video. I hope you all like it. I will be continuing this series, and that's all for the video. Bye.